Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, as you can see from the title, we're doing a clean with me. My apartment is horrendous, so we're gonna tackle this today. I'm gonna start with clearing off my bed, at least the sheets. I usually wash my sheets once a week, and then I'll do my comforter less frequently. But that's what I'm doing here, just taking it off, and it shocked me. That's why I did that. Then we're gonna move into the kitchen where I just need to put away these dishes and then wash the dishes in the sink and wipe everything down. And so that's what we're doing here. Then I'm going to use this soft scrub with bleach to clean out the sink. I really like this cleaner because it smells so good and it just really cleans the sink well. I know it's not a non-toxic cleaner and bleach is really bad for you, but I just really love this stuff. Then I'm going to use this Honest Multi-Surface Cleaner. I freaking love this cleaner. I found it at TJ Maxx. And then I'm also going to use this glass cleaner by Method to clean off my little coffee tray, my coffee station tray. I don't really like this cleaner, to be honest with you, but I have to use up the whole bottle before I can buy any more. It's really hard to get the streaks out, so... Now I'm just going to clean off my little bench. It's like a faux velvet material, so it cleans pretty easily. And then we're going to go into the bathroom where I have a whole bunch of junk on the floor. And I'm really mad that I didn't lift up the camera to do this part where I'm cleaning off the sink area, but you get the gist. And then I'm going to wipe down everything. So then I'm going to take down my shower liner and throw it in the wash. I usually do this once a week as well. And then I'm going to clean out the shower. Now we're going to start in my room. I'm just going to straighten up my little side table and wipe it down. And then I'll move on to my vanity. So now I'm just going to wipe down this little cube with all my shoes and my TV on it. It gets really dusty, so I usually have to wipe this down a lot. Now it's time to put the sheets back on the bed. I love fresh sheets. It's a whole new vibe. And my room is pretty much complete. Now we're going back into the kitchen just to put away the dishes that I just washed. And of course, I've accumulated more dishes in the sink. The dishes, I feel like they just never stop. Now I'm just gonna have a little lunch. I decided to make myself a sandwich. I like the Italian sandwich, so I put ham, salami, pepperoni, and some tomatoes. It's so good. Now we're moving on to the living room, which is not very dirty, but I did want to go ahead and wipe down the sofa and vacuum. So now we're going back in to hang up my liner. It's nice and clean now. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and mop the floors. Now I'm gonna put down my rugs. They're nice and clean, and the bathroom is complete. Now I'm just gonna break down these boxes that I had from my Amazon order, and I'm gonna put this with the recycling. Once I get the boxes out, I'm going to sweep and mop the kitchen floor. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to gather all my cleaning supplies off the bar, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe down the bar and start my diffuser. And the very last thing that I need to do is put away this last little bit of dishes, and it is all done finally. After a full day of cleaning, I feel accomplished and everything is nice and clean and it feels great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!